Hey there! Today we're diving into an interesting problem involving a data frame in R. The issue at hand revolves around identifying rows with common values, regardless of those values appearing in every row. This can get tricky, especially when dealing with rows of different lengths. Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. By leveraging the power of the igraph package in R, we can construct a graph based on the row overlaps. From there, we detect the connected components in the graph and assign a cluster ID to each group. This allows us to filter out redundant rows and keep only one representative from each group. Continuing with the solution, we further analyze the overlaps graph by splitting the values in the overlap column and generating a visual representation. This step gives us a better understanding of how the rows are connected based on their shared values. Visualizing the graph helps us see the relationships more clearly and aids in the decision-making process of retaining only one row per group. In summary, by utilizing the capabilities of the igraph package and clever data manipulation techniques, we were able to efficiently remove duplicate rows based on overlapping values. The solution provides a streamlined approach to handling uneven row lengths and ensures the data frame contains unique and relevant information. Well, there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!